Okay, ladies, this is what you need to know about your menstrual cycles. It is not uncommon or bad to have a random period. And what I mean by that is maybe a month where you bleed out of cycle, where you're less than 28 days, more than 28 days, or you have some random mid-cycle spotting, or a random really heavy, painful period. Yes, if these things happen consistently, there is something more sinister going on and something that needs to be treated physically to support your hormones and your cycle. But sometimes our womb can choose energetically to detox or to shed. This womb is very, very sensitive to energy. Okay, so also if maybe you've been living out of sync, maybe you've gone and been hanging around with other women, different things, your living environment has changed, the season of your cycle has changed in terms of the environment. If you've had some kind of energetic cleansing or healing or some therapy with a womb person, or you've done some deep emotional work and you've been shedding old energy. In our uterus, we store memories, we store unprocessed emotions. So if you do some work, some breath work, any form of deep healing where we're starting to shed, sometimes the womb can energetically shed and we can have this random bleed outside of our normal cycle. So it is nothing to worry about. It is something to be of concern if it keeps happening consistently. Really heavy, painful periods consistently. Really irregular periods consistently for a couple of months. But it's okay to randomly have something different. We're very affected by the moons as well. Sometimes the body will want to sync in with the moons and the seasons around you. So just know that. Have confidence in your beautiful uterus. Sometimes it knows what it's doing. But always, 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 if something happens outside of that in terms of really painful, heavy periods ongoing, you do not have to suffer, and there's lots that you can do to support that.